warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys students, welcome to the Teaching Media and ICT Literacy. Today we are going to discuss about the one kind of the learning management system. The name is Edmodo. There are three activities for today. The first one, how to log in to be science teacher in Edmodo, and the second one, how to construct the class and then share the class code to your student, and the last, how to post assignment, teaching material and test item to your students. Let's do practice with Edmodo. The first, please come to the website new.edmodo.com, and then for join to Edmodo, you can log in by using Google or Microsoft, or continue with Apple. For sign instruction, be sure you to be a teacher, so please don't have an account, so please sign up. Click sign up, and then there are three types: teacher account, student account, and parent account. Please choose or click teacher account, and then please select the location, Indonesia, and then next. Okay, so please input your email address, and then please add your password, confirm your password, and then school code. This is optional, so please next, and then please follow the step, and please be ready your account as the teacher can log in into Edmodo. The next, let's do practice how to construct or how to prepare your class. So please log in into Edmodo by using teacher account, and then in Edmodo we have some features in here. The first one, this is our profile, so you can complete your profile by using photo, and then your description, and then your institution or other information, so you can complete your account. This is the example of the profile, so you can add your school, add a profile picture, or add your bio. And the next, in Edmodo we have classes, how to make classes, so you can add one, two, three, four, five. So there are five features. The first one, home; the second, classes; and the third, calendar; fourth, discover; and the last, message. So please click classes. So this is the list of my classes. This one. So for the create new class, please click create new class, and then please write your class. For example, science class. Science class. And then you can describe your class. The next, select a grade, for example 7th grade, and then select subject, science, and select sub-subject, basic science, and you can also change the color. For example, I will change into blue. Great. Okay, so this is our class, so you can add students or explore class. So, okay, so let's see, this is our class, and also you can add class image in here. For example, click add class image, and then please choose your picture. For example, I will add a picture, this one, save. So our class has been already. So how to share our class to your student? This one, class code. So you can click this one. So you can unlock code or lock code. So we click unlock code. You can share class code. This one, copy. So you can copy and then paste to the email, student's email or WhatsApp group, or you can share a PDF, view PDF instruction, or you can also invite by email. So type email or name and then send. So this is the class code. Let's start the class. So please, you can add in here, start a discussion, share class material, etc. Click. So you can add some information or some science material in here. This is for the size of the font, and then this is for bold, italic, and then this is for the line, this is for the bullet, numbering, and this is for the part, and then this is the link. If you will add link, for example teaching video from your YouTube channel, and then you will add to your Edmodo, so you can text in here, for example science video, and then you can copy paste the link from your YouTube and then save, and then your link will be appear in this description. And also you can add or attach file and image, or add from library, or a GIF. This is in line with the animation, and then this is schedule your post. For example, this one. Very good students, let's discuss about the animals. For example, I would like attach the image. And then schedule your post. That means your posting do not direct appear in the feed of the Edmodo. For example, this post will be appear for the next week, so you can schedule your post, for example in what day and then in what time, and then save date and a time. Pause, click pause. This is for the schedule. Let's see this one. So this posting will be appear in the feed of the Edmodo on 8 September at 1 AM. Okay, the next, let's create the quiz. You can click create, and then also you can assignment. You can add assignment for your student. For example, this one. Assignment, new. For example, science poster. Dear student, please submit your poster here. You can add, you can attach file, add link, or add from library, and then assign. Click assign. And then select due date. For example, 15. And then log after due date, and then time. Assign. This is for the assignment. So we can see in here 0 submissions. So if your student have already submitted, so we can see in here how many submissions. For example, 10 or 15 submissions. So that means 15 students have already submitted the assignment. Let's construct the quiz. The first, choose one, the type multiple choice, for example, and then please add the question. For example, what is example of mammals? You can also attach file, add link, or add from library, and then response. I have 4 response. If you need 5, so you can add response. Response 1, whale, penguin, lizard, and salamander. And please don't forget to add the answer. Click and then grading. For example, 1 point, and then you can also duplicate question or delete question, or you can add question and then add from question. Okay, the next, let's do practice together. Hopefully this tutorial can be benefit for you and you can do by yourself. And thank you very much for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.